Good morning, David. I hope you slept well and that you're having a good morning. I'm sending you a message today to tell you how you did on your math homework yesterday and to tell you what I would like you to do today. Okay? So, here I have your homework from yesterday, and I wanted to tell you that you did a very good job. All of your answers are correct. Very good. I can see that you know how to subtract. So yes, 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 and yes. Correct. Very, very good. Okay? Today, I would like you to go to your active learn. Do you remember here? In your active learn, I want you to go to My Stuff. You have 4 things that you can do today. Please do this one first. It's a new one. I want you to do this test. I want you to write down the answers on a paper, and I want you to email them to me. I'm going to use it to see your math skills. This one, and this one, these are games for you to play, and they all are linked to multiplication. You can play 1 game, you can play 2 games, or you can play 3 games. That's your choice depending on how much time you have today, okay? But what you must do is this one right here. Driving test 16, okay? This one right here. When you finish, please email me your answers, okay? Have a very good day, David. If you need any help, you can email me. Bye.